Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to continue with exercise 12.2 only of chapter 12 factorization of class 8. Okay, coming to the second question. Okay, we have to divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Okay, monomial means having single term, any algebraic expression containing one term, and those algebraic expressions containing more than one terms are all called as polynomials. In this, binomials, trinomials and all this meals comes. Okay, so all this polynomial means an algebraic expressions containing many terms. Okay, so proceeding to the solution. Okay, the first part is that we have to divide 5x square minus 6x by 3x. ठीक है, 5x square minus 6x को हमको 3x से डिवाइड करना है. So it is 5x square minus 6x upon 3x. Okay, so what we have to do here? First see, because it is a binomial containing two terms, so what we can do, we can take out the factors first, common factors of this expression. So here there is x square and here it's 1x is there, so at least 1x we can take as common. Okay, now we are left with 5x minus 6. Okay, because x into x, x square, and 6 into x, 6x, so we have taken x as the common factor. Now 3x, this x and this x will get cancelled, or you can, how it got cancelled, you know very well now, because of we have applied here laws of exponent. When the bases are same and the powers are different, the powers get subtracted whenever we apply the division of operation of division. Okay, so this x and this x will get cancelled. So you can leave here only, till here only, or you can write like this. 3 is the denominator of this term also and of this term also. Okay, so you can write like this also. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is 5x upon 3 minus 2. So children, this is the solution of the first part. Children, in the second part we have to divide this trinomial by this monomial. Okay, तो 3y raised to power 8 minus 4y raised to power 6 plus 5y raised to power 4 को हमको y raised to power 4 से divide करना. So how you are going to write this? 3 minus 4y to the power 6 plus 5y raised to power 4 upon y raised to power 4. Okay, so again this is a trinomial. What we can do? We can take out the common factors. Okay, so yeah, listen to this concept of this, how we can take out the factors. See children, यहाँ पे देखिए, at the least we can take y raised to power 4 as the common factor, क्योंकि यहाँ पे y raised to power 8 है, y raised to power 6 है, और यहाँ पे y raised to power 4 है. So the least factor that we can take is y raised to power 4. Okay, so what we are left with? 3y raised to power 4, क्योंकि out of this 4, out of this 8 we have taken y raised to power 4 as common, minus 4y raised to power 2. Why? क्योंकि out of 4 we have taken at least, out of 6 we have taken at least 4 y's as common. Okay, plus 5, and this 5 is left. Why? Because this y4 raised to power 4 is taken as common. Okay, now y raised to power 4. Now this will get cancelled by using the laws of exponents, or if you don't want to go to much detail, then simply you can cancel it. Okay, because they are the same terms. Okay, and they can divide and you will get 1. So you can leave the answer till here. 3y raised to power 4 minus 4y raised to power 2 plus 5. Okay, in the third part we have to divide 8 in bracket x raised to power 3, y raised to power 2, z raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 y raised to power 3 z raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 2 y raised to power 2 z raised to raised to power 3 divided by 4x square y square z square, okay, with this monomial. So how we have to do? So we have to find out the common factors, okay. Common factors means which is common to both all the given terms, okay. X square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube upon 4x square y square z square, okay. So children, let's see. Here x power 3, x raised to power 3 is there, x raised to power 2, x raised to power 2 is there. So at least x raised to power 2 can be taken as common, okay. Similarly here y raised to power 2 in the first term, then in the second term y raised to power 3 is there, and in third term also it is y square. So at least y square or y raised to power 2 can be taken as common, okay. We cannot take x raised to power 3, why? Because it is only present in the second term, okay. And in the here in the first term z square is there, in the second term also z square is there, and in the third term also z cube is there. So at least z square can be taken as common, okay. So what we are left with? We are left with 1x here. Why? Because out of 3 we have taken 2 common. And this y square is taken as common, this z square is also taken as common. Plus, in the second term, this x square is taken as common. Out of this 3y, we have taken at least 2y as common. So, we are left with 1y here. Plus, here z square in the first term is taken as common, in the second term also. And in the third term, out of 3 z's, we have taken 2 z's as common. So, we are left with z in the third term, okay. Now 4x square y square z square. Now this x square y square z square will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So the answer is 2x plus 5 plus z in the bracket, okay. Hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. Fourth part, we have to divide this trinomial x cube plus 2x square plus 3x by the monomial 2x, okay. So what we have to do, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x upon 2x, okay. Again the same method we have to apply. We will take out the common factors. See children, in the first term we have 3x, and in the second term we have 2x, and in the third term we have a single x. So at least we can take one x only as common. Why? We cannot take more than one. Why? Because this is having only one x. So at least one x can be taken as common. So what we are left with here? We are left with x square plus 2x plus 3. Why? Because out of this 3 we have taken 1x as common, and out of this 2x we have taken 1x as common. So we are left with 2x, and this x is taken as common. So we are left with this constant 3 upon 2x. So this x and this x will get cancelled, and we will get the solution as 1 by 2 x square plus 2x plus 3. Okay, in the last part we have to divide this binomial p cube q raised to power 6 minus p raised to power 6 q cube by the monomial p cube q cube. Okay, so we have to apply the same method upon PQ, QQ. Okay. So here it is PQ, and in the second term it is P raised to power 6. So at least we can take PQ as common. Okay. Similarly, here we have Q raised to power 6, and in the second term we have Q raised to power 3. So at least cube can be taken as common. Now we are left with cube because this p cube is taken as common, and out of this 6q we have taken 3q as common, minus in this 6p, out of 6p we have taken 3p as common, so we are left with p cube, and this cube is taken as common. Okay, so it is p cube. This and this will get cancelled, and we get the solution as q to the power 3 or q raised to power 3, p raised to power 3. Okay children, so children, if you're fine with my explanation, then do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and refer my channels and videos to more and more people and ask them to subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.